Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a new vulnerability, that is authorization failure. Before we exploit the vulnerability, we have to understand what is meant by authorization. We know that by authentication, it means verifying a person's identity by password or any other security measures, but authorization means it is set to the permission that an authenticated user have. Here in DVWA application we have an option for updating user's first name and the surname. But understand this permission is only for admin user. No other users can update anyone's first name or surname. At first we will explore this vulnerability in low level, make sure burp proxy is listening, then after update one username. See that HTTP history, the communication from the application side has been captured. Like I told you, the admin have a full authorization. Now we have to log in with the another user named Gordon. This Gordon do not have any special privileges, but we will gain admin authorized functionality from the Gordon account. See, in this Gordon account we don't have that option for changing first name and surname, because it is limited to admin only. Just observe this request we have captured. The previous request, which is in HTTP history, is leading to a path where first name and surname can be changed. I am copying this authentication bypass functionality path from the previous request. Then I am moving into the known admin user's login, and then applying that path into the current user account. Say, even if Gordon is not having any admin right, this account is able to access the admin allowed functionality. Now I am modifying one user's name here, and let's see will it get effect in the real admin panel. We can see here the name code updated in the admin account, which means unauthorized access is possible here. Now let's try authorization vulnerability in another approach. To solve this lab we need burp tool. When we submit the data, a parameter is passing with the user ID, first name and surname. Keep this in the repeater. Now we will go back to the Gordon account, and we will exploit the vulnerability. See here, we do not have access to the user's details. We can try with the old approach we have done. That is by injecting directly into the URL. But now the vulnerability has been fixed. It is showing unauthorized access to the Gordon user. Make sure your intercept is enabled, then just reload the page. This communication will be captured by the burp suite. Here I am looking for the communication in the HTTP history. If you are using intercept, it will be easy for you to identify the communication. Finally, I found it. Now I'm going to forward this to the repeater. By observing the HTTP history, I understand there are two communication paths has been given. In the response window, we can say the user informations are being displayed. So instead of going after the auth bypass, we should make use of this path. We have to keep this request to the repeater, then after alter it with the previous request we have captured. Look, we are able to see only admin allowed content in our request response, which means authorization bypass is possible. Now let's try to explore the same vulnerability in high-level security. Again, I'm capturing the request of the admin user and I'm keeping it in the repeater. Here we don't have a permission to see user's first name and surname. This is the previous request we have captured from the admin account. Now we have to capture one request from the Gordon account also. See, in the Gordon account the request is a GET request. We have to make it as a POST request like happening in the admin account. I am editing the content with the POST request and also the parameter which are passing in the admin account. But it was not a successful attempt, because there is one more thing we have to alter, that is a referral header. I copied the referrer header from the admin request into the Gordon user's request. We can see the parameter passing which include the ID, first name then surname. It should be properly aligned. Even if there is a small space difference is there, it will show 400 bad request. And finally we got 200 OK response. Let us confirm the changes have been affected in the admin account. The surname of Smith have been affected. So our exploitation was successful.